Are you finding, like I did, that getting a dog's harness that's comfortable, secure, and actually cute is harder than it should be? I'm Marie with WTI, and I was genuinely excited when I came across this no-pull dog harness by Plutus Pet for Emmy and Coco. It really feels like it was thoughtfully designed with my dog's comfort in mind. One thing I love is that it gives you options for leash attachment. The back D-ring is great for everyday walks, while the front attachment helps discourage pulling by gently redirecting our pups back towards us. For sizing reference, we found the size guide to be right on point. Emmy and Coco were both between the small and medium, so I went with the medium. It's a little roomy, but they cannot get out of it, which gives me a lot more confidence when we're out walking. For us, this has just been one of those finds that feels upscale, looks adorable, keeps my pups comfortable, and gives me peace of mind every time we head out for a walk. And that's my point of view.